Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because it's kind of centered around like the fall upcoming season, workwear, back to school. I've gotten many requests to do kind of plus size work outfits, and I've been a huge fan of ModCloth for years. They were actually the first company that I professionally modeled for. I'll insert a couple pictures. I had such an amazing experience. ModCloth has super cute, trendy, like really good quality clothing, and some of these new fall pieces I thought were absolutely perfect for workwear, like so fashionable and so perfect for going to the office, going to class. And another reason that this all kind of comes together at the right time is it's actually in time for Women's Equality Day on August 26th. So ModCloth and I thought it was a perfect time to partner up, and there's nothing better than feeling very confident and powerful in the clothing that you wear. So I'm really excited to show you guys just a couple of work outfits that I think are absolutely perfect for looking professional but also fashionable, and you guys know I love fall. So let's hop into the first outfit here. As I mentioned, everything is from ModCloth. They have the cutest clothing. I love everything about this outfit. I love the pop of color on the tights. I love the wool skirt, the really cozy sweater, and these perfect loafers that are kind of like a cherry brown mahogany color. I feel like a lot of us are afraid to incorporate like pops of color, like those teal tights, but I think they can still be very professional. And if you throw in a fun accessory like a matching book bag or purse, I just think it looks really pretty to match them together. I also love that the skirt had little pockets in the front, something a little bit different, and I just love a tucked in sweater into a high-waisted skirt. I think it looks so classic and beautiful. Okay, this next outfit, oh my gosh, I have never loved a dress more than this one. It is so freaking cute, especially paired with the hat. It's like the perfect fit where you can kind of put it towards the back of your head and have like a few little curly tendrils popping out. So the dress, it has like a slip underneath, and it's just so comfortable. It has a cinch under the waist. It's kind of sheer, so it's not too hot for that transitional time between summer and fall. And I love the shoes that are paired with it. It's kind of these little lace-up loafers. They almost look like an Oxford type of shoe. So you can match the shoes and the hat, and then I just think the dress is perfect for the fall time coming ahead. So you can wear this to the office, you can wear it to school, you can just wear it on even a day-to-day basis. It's super cute, but I feel like it's jazzed up a little bit where it's fashionable yet achievable. And like I said, everything has been extremely comfortable. And what I love about ModCloth, and that I have always loved about them, is that they are very inclusive. They're body positive. They want all women to feel empowered and good about themselves and confident. And they want to know what makes you feel empowered. You guys make me feel confident. You guys make me feel empowered. Making these videos makes me feel so good, so I can show you guys that you can be plus size and feel amazing in your skin and wear amazing clothing like this. That's what this channel has always been about for me. So to share that is everything I've ever wanted, and I love that ModCloth shares the same message. So let me know what makes you guys feel empowered and confident and incredible with the hashtag Say It Louder. I can't wait to see what you guys write. So those are just a couple little like work outfit ideas that I wanted to put together for you guys. ModCloth has a lot of option like that, so I just wanted to show you like different ways to do that vibe that you might not have thought of. When I go to like work clothing, office clothing, my mind just like automatically goes to like very basic pieces like trousers and a blouse, or a pencil skirt and a blouse, but I feel like there are ways to kind of go a little bit more unique. I am just so excited as we move into the cooler months. I need to calm down. But let's celebrate Women's Equality Day together. Let's empower each other, let's lift each other up, and keep on fighting for the rights that we deserve. If you want to shop any of the pieces that I showed, feel free to go down below to the description box and there will be links. If you want me to do more plus size workwear videos, please let me know down in the comments. I'd be happy to do a part 2. And if you liked this video, give it a big old thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.